We're at the lake today. The kids wanted to swim, so I brought all my cleaning supplies and I'm going to clean the new Jeep. Seems like most of that is outside. I ordered this leather cleaner from Target, leather conditioner. Wasn't me. That was 100% Thomas, so it was not my fault. I would never. Okay, to be honest, my car was actually pretty clean before I started this. And yeah, I had to wash that windshield and everything. There was a little dirt, but I tend to obsess over it. Can you see that? I'm just gonna get all the fingerprints, all the dust. Somebody's backing in next to me. Okay, I'm back. The lady parked and I'm so happy because I parked pretty far away from this truck so nobody would hit my car, and then she did the same thing on that side. So that was awesome. Ever since we got this car, I have been parking at the far end of every parking lot and making everybody walk the entire way to the store, and I won't even let a cart come near it. Like, if we're pushing a cart full of groceries, it has to stop several feet away from my car. I haven't filmed in a while. It can be really awkward, like we're doing it for the first time. I'm kind of in the middle right now. I don't feel awkward, but it feels just a little bit weird just because people aren't used to seeing it. So here we are, getting used to it again. I have a little shop vac, more of a contractor's vac or something they use on job sites with a drill battery. Vacuum is not working that great. Not really sure why. I'm just gonna do what I can. I didn't bring a little broom either. That would have been a good idea. Look, so clean. Okay, pretty clean. I mean, could it be better? Sure. Most things could, but I'm happy with it. Before I put my mat back in and vacuum it too, I'm going to get all this dirty stuff. Now, normally I'd get all super detailed with it, getting toothbrushes out and whatnot, but I'm in the parking lot of the lake, so I don't have all that. Oh my goodness, it is hot today. See me doing this nonstop? My face is sweating. All right, I got the floor clean. Gorgeous. Do a little shake. My biggest pet peeve about floor mats is that they move. And I love this one because it has these little notches, but those little snaps, this thing never moves. It's amazing. I have a feeling this vacuum's going to die. The battery's going to die before I finish, but we're just gonna do as much as we can. I think I'll go. Okay, I can't decide because it's so hot. I kind of don't want to do this anymore, but I don't know what I'd do with myself other than just sit here. So we're gonna fill up that air bed here in a minute, 'cause that'll be a good, not sweaty thing to do. I think I missed a spot on my dash cleaning. I'm gonna get this window here. Cleaned up nicely because the passenger side isn't used as much as the driver's side. Normally it would be empty car, but it's lake day, so there's kind of a lot of stuff in here, but still, perfect thing for me to work on while they swim. Oh, darn it, I keep meaning to show you these running boards. They pop down when you open the door, and then when you close it, they put themselves away, and it is one of my favorite features. Let me wait until this car moves before I talk anymore. Hold on a sec. They're still in their car right here, so I probably won't talk, but let's just vacuum real quick. The battery is dying, so I think that's the best I'm gonna get with this. Still have a rag. I'm just gonna swipe it. Oh my gosh. So sweaty, but I am not complaining. We don't get to be too hot in Juneau very often. We normally have to pay a lot of money to go somewhere to be too hot, so I'm living it up. This is not a complaint, other than the fact that my glasses won't stay on because I'm sweating. Kind of done all I can do up here, so let's go to the back. I'll show you a little bit back there and we'll get that airbed filled up. I put this in backwards, so it has this notch that's going to fit right up there, so I need to swing this thing around. Oh, that's nice. That fits in there real good. Really well. That fits in there really well. Let me just get out my proper English here for a minute. Now for the other side, which I actually love this because that means if I was camping by myself and I had a lot of gear, I actually wouldn't even have to fill up the other side. the loudest video ever, and I'm terrible with audio, so I don't know how I'm going to fix that. Well, safe to say, really darn comfy. The narrow feet, I feel like that's fine too. It's really not a big deal. If you have like a mummy bag, that's about as wide as you're getting anyway. I can fully sit up. I'm 5'4", and I can fully sit up and have a little clearance there. So, phone charger. You have your own air control, cup holder, and then there's a lot of cargo strap holders. Buckle all your stuff in. Where are we camping? All right, well, I guess I'll have to officially sleep on this thing to give you the official review. Oh, and since I'm in here, let me just show you how this back hatch closes. I don't even have to get back out. I can just push this button. Oh, wait. Never mind, my stuff. So if you panic and you don't want it to close, it has a safety feature in case a kid gets in the way. But look, I tied all my stuff here, so don't want to be doing that. Now to close my back hatch, I just push this button and hold it for a second. It'll close itself. Oof, I need to wash that. And there's still a little bit of space. I could scoot it up a little bit more and have that gap there for luggage. So I pushed it all the way up to the seats. And now that's decent. I mean, that'll fit a couple of duffel bags or rolling suitcases standing up. I think that's perfect. I like it. Let me send a picture to Thomas. He's actually in Anchorage today. And I'm bummed I couldn't go with him because on my last Anchorage video, there's a place called Crunchies that invited us to come and eat. And it's Crunchies fast food. It's all gourmet food. There's a gluten-free brownie with ice cream. So they invited us and we're going. Okay, I'm gonna crawl my way up here. All right, so I ordered these antiques. This is it. We're gonna open it up. Sorry about the Band-Aid. I had to go to the doctor and get a finger poke. I hate Band-Aids on videos, but there's nothing I can do. If I take it off, I'll bleed all over my new Jeep, so it'll have to stay. Please be okay, everybody. Okay, here's the hooks for the rack. So I'm hopeful that means the rack is in here. Well, they all fit. All right. Here's its little rack. This goes on the wall and then all the little cups hang from it. It's broken. Well, that's a bummer. The one cup is shattered. There's actually a hole in it. Quarter cup. Seems fine. For some reason, the miniature ones seem to do fine. A little 1/8 cup. It's fine. It's not broken. It's perfect. That's gonna be just so stinking cute. It's cute little dots. They are actual real measuring cups. They have their little measurements on the bottom. Literally wet. That is a lot of water. Pack this back up and make it safe to travel back home with. Okay, I broke down and rolled down all the windows because it was basically like unbearably sweaty. Some streets right there being all loud and stuff. My plan is to deflate the bed and go ahead and pack that up now that we know that it's awesome, and finish wiping down the back seat while the kids are doing their swimming at the lake. Maybe watch some Netflix in the front seat because
that's Thomas's travel hack number 2. You could wait a while, so Netflix helps ease that pain.
My front seats recline nicely. It's literally my dream car. When he asked me what my dream car was, and I told him it was not because I ever thought he would actually go buy me one. So To say I was surprised is an understatement. But surprised, spoiled, thrilled, I'm all of those things. So nice. That should do it for today's video. That should do it for today's video, and I will see you next time.